What's going on, everybody? It's Mike the Wolf Grant down here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson, another Dyno Certified pre-owned motorcycle. This is a 2017 Street 500 in Vivid Black. For its Dyno certification, we put about $500 into it. We did a 1K service. We actually replaced the left-hand grip, and then obviously we gave it the dyno test as well. And again, all that does not change the price of the bike. Then we back with a 90-day, 3,000-mile guarantee. Has a couple extra accessories on it. It has the passenger backrest and it has the luggage rack as well in case you need to throw a little bag over it. So with the Street 500, you do have a progressive throttle. So what that means for you as a rider, between 0 and 20, it's not going to be snappy. But after that, when you twist the throttle, you're going to have your power right there at your fingertips. Again, it is a 500cc. It is a fully liquid-cooled motor, as opposed to some of the other bikes, which is just the twin cooled, but this is just in the heads. This whole motor is liquid cooled, similar to the V-Rods. It is a 6-speed transmission, so 1 down, 5 up. Your fuel tank is nice and flat, and Harley actually designed it this way to actually keep the center of gravity low. Another benefit of a Street is the fact that it's about 80 pounds lighter than a regular Sportster. This bike does have ABS, and it does have the security system on it. So benefit of the security, you can walk away and the bike kind of arms itself. And then benefit of ABS, obviously, you have ABS in the front, ABS in the rear, just helps you come to a complete stop. If you have any questions, give us a shout, 802-476-6104. Thanks.